How to add Klarna to Apple Pay. Adding Klarna to Apple Pay is simple, and I'll show you step by step. First, open the Klarna app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, go to the Wallet section, where all your cards and payment options are located. Now, tap on the Add button. Here, Klarna will give you a few options. Choose Create a Digital Card, which is the card you'll use with Apple Pay. Next, you'll see different wallet options. Find and select Apple Pay from the list. After selecting Apple Pay, Klarna will ask you to confirm adding the digital card. Follow the on-screen instructions, review the details, and approve the connection. Once the process is complete, your Klarna card will be added to Apple Pay and ready to use. You can also return to the Klarna app at any time to manage your payment plans, limits, or card settings. And that's it. Klarna is now fully linked to Apple Pay, and you can start using it for fast and secure payments.